Yesterday we helped with the iftar packing because there are going to be around 15,000 people. So we packed the iftar packets and then we helped organize the teams into divisions, that what they're going to do on the main events and everything.
Light upon light events, I'm the head of the volunteers. So mashallah, the volunteers that we do have, they are long-standing volunteers, so it's really good because they know what they're doing. They've done it year in, year out, and it shows that they enjoy themselves and that we're doing something right.
You know that it is this particular night known as Laylatul Qadr, wherein which the details of your destiny for the rest of the year to come is actually determined by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Oh, I love him. He is actually the reason that, I have been coming back to my religion, my faith, coming to the straight path. But basically, I'm back from Pakistan, so I have seen him, but there was no way. But so as soon as I came to London and I saw this opportunity that I could actually just at least volunteer in an event there, so I said yes, and that was the first thing I did.
What Talha doesn't know is that he will be meeting Mufti Menk. We've arranged everything for him, and inshallah we'll be making his dream of meeting Mufti Menk come true.
Meaning, if you have witnessed one or both of them in their old age, remember not to say a single oof to them.
It's very much different from YouTube. Like, for example, the presence, the way I can actually feel him, that he's talking to me directly. I'm a bit far from the stage. I can see him from afar, but still it feels amazing.
Okay, everyone can sit down.
This is such a huge honor. I tried doing Umrah with you. I tried following in Medina. I couldn't meet you. I followed you everywhere, and this is such I'm not lying. I prayed in the Fajr morning today that I'm volunteering and I get to meet you today. My heart is pounding still. I just cannot believe that I met the man right face to face in front of him. He was just as he's more beautiful in person, I have to say. The ikhlaq, the way he met me, I was someone really important. He came out, he was sitting down, he came up to me, he met me, he listened to me, he listened to everything that I had to say.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله